couple years ago. That dude that down on Tunnelly, it was like it was a cop chasing some shit, and a car hit him or some shit like that, and he got out the car, and I think he was on fire, and they started beating the shit out of him.
What?
Look at the shit up. It was right on Tunnelly. Like I passed by the pole, and it was like it's all
But
charred.
it's like the 1 and 9 part of Tunnelly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and like towards the beginning, like not too far from ringside.
Oh.
It was over that way, and
Yeah.
I didn't. And this was maybe 2017. I want to think early 2018.
Oh.
You see it?
4 Jersey City police officers charged in connection with is 2017 with beating a man on fire.
Yes, and at this point in time, that's when a lot of the Kaepernick conversation was going on and all that shit.
Oh yeah, that was at its like
that was at the
most
peak.
vicious.
And I did not think that I would see that shit in Jersey City. I
Yeah,
never thought I would
close
see
to
that.
home.
But just because Jersey City's so fucking diverse, and I never thought I would see that. And I'm pretty sure that these cops weren't all white.
Probably not.
And that's the bullshit. It's like the badge fucking corrupts people.
It's a gang, bro.
Yeah, it really is.
Because look, you know all this shit.
One was white and one was maybe some type of Asian, and the other two were white.
That's what I'm saying. Oh, dude.
But the shit that they
Wait, you said one was white, one was Asian, and
two were white, one was Hispanic, and one was like Asian.
Yeah, so I knew they weren't all white.
The shit that they talk about gangs.
Yeah,
like we're gonna cover for you, no snitching. That's
they
cop shit that they put on gangs.
And then they talk shit about the gangs. Oh, you're not gonna snitch on your
It's like,
homeboy?
you
Motherfucker, you not gonna snitch on your homeboy?
Word.
Motherfucker, at least
Same rules apply.
at least a gang member, they don't take an oath to uphold the fucking law. You do, you piece of shit, and you out here killing people.
Mm-hmm.
You killing the people you employed to fucking protect.
So he's like, nope, I ain't seen nothing. What you mean?
I was asking before to Guy, like, has it always been like this, gotten worse, or only being seen more and exposed because of social media? In your opinion?
Well, I'll say my opinion is it hasn't always been like this.
Okay.
Because, and I'm talking about before I was born. There was a time where, like, my mom used to talk about it, and other elderly people that I know, not elderly, but older, they talk about it when police used to walk the neighborhoods.
Yeah.
And they knew everybody and they knew everybody on a name by name basis.
Yeah.
They knew your family.
It's like community policing.
Yes. That's what it was.
Yeah.
So if little Joey got in trouble, oh, you know my mother, you gonna go to the cop, gonna snatch me up, bring me to my mother, boom, boom. Look what he did. Right? They're not gonna fucking shoot me.
Beat right in the front lawn.
Exactly. But then it changed, and now I'm talking about when I was younger, growing up in the projects, I seen that shit. This is before social media. I seen the cops harassing motherfuckers, beating on motherfuckers. I seen it with my own eyes. Yeah. So that's why I always had a disdain for police brutality.
Yeah.
I always did. I always spoke about that shit.
Oh yeah. As long as I know you.
And I'm talking about before I started going to church, before you met me, when I started going to church, I was talking about it. I can't stand that. Like, how do you take an oath to protect and serve people, and then you're gonna abuse and harass the same people you're employed to serve and protect?
But who are they really serving and protecting?
Themselves. So, but I seen that shit. I seen little dudes in the hood getting put stuff on the gate. They ain't doing nothing. They just walking around in the projects, and they getting pushed up on the walls, searched, all this wild shit. And like yes, granted, some of them might have been hustling, but I know other ones that wasn't.
Yeah.
And they got the same treatment. That's where the bullshit starts.
And then what happens to those people that are good? Good
so
cops.
when the police are treating you like this in your fucking neighborhood, you don't trust them.
Nope.
So you're not gonna. And it was the complete opposite of the community policing.
Yep.
When they knew your name, they knew your family. Now it's like, fuck the police. And that's where that rebellious, that resistance comes from.
Yeah.
Why the fuck should we trust you? You harass us. You beat on us. You know what I mean? Like, what the fuck we gonna trust you for?
Yeah.
And like you said, the police is a gang in itself.
Yeah, it's gang culture.
Yes.
If you really examine it.
They absolutely follow gang culture.
It's the same shit.
That
Like
the fucking don't cross the blue line or the blue wall. That's no snitching.
I remember I had an Uber driver
they
once.
just
He
saying
said
it
he was
differently.
he said he was on the force for like maybe 2 weeks because he said he couldn't do it because he said he was like his first whatever case or whatever his run. He said there was drugs involved, and no other officer was like, "Look, we won't even say there was drugs. Just you take this, I take this," and he was just like, "What?"
Yeah, they'll sell it on the side.
Yeah, he was just like, "Wait, what?" And he was so shocked. He's like, he's like, he's like, I resigned. I was like, you serious? He goes, I couldn't do that shit.
That's what policing is.
I said, God damn.
They're some of the most corrupt motherfuckers in the world. I'm not gonna say all of them.
Remember American Gangster, him paying them niggas off?
Yeah.
I'm like, God
That's
damn.
that's real shit.
Yeah. I remember
Yeah,
like
I remember
the-
growing up in the hood, right? I had the niggas in the hood. I'd be on the basketball court playing and shit. I remember a couple people be like, "Yo, Joey, yo, you should look into becoming a cop." I'm like, "What? Hell no, I don't want to be no fucking cop. I want to be in the hood. I ain't. That ain't something I want to do." So I'm like, "I don't want to be no fucking cop." Like, nah, think about it. You know, all of us, we could work together. Like, I'm like, thought about it. Like, nah, I'm not doing that
Got
shit.
somebody on the inside.
Nah. Yeah, but I mean, it's funny, but you say that it was all fun and games when he said it, but in reality, that's what goes on.
Yeah.
That's what goes on. So that's why that joke, there's seriousness to that joke.
it's true.
There's some reality to that joke
Yeah.
because motherfuckers do that.
Look
shit.
at the gold card. It's supposed to the shields. Oh, I know a family member. Oh, get off. You're fine.
But that's what it was really saying is that if you really examine what they're saying is that they wish they had people that they knew that
Right.
was cops, but they don't because it's a us versus them mentality, and it's more of like a conflict instead of it being a partnership. It's us versus you, no trust on either side because they think that these people are criminals, and then the other side thinks that the police are oppressing them, which may or may not be true depending on the circumstance. And there's no middle ground. That's why it's been this way.
There's no trust.
I kind of
no trust.
Yeah, I kind of like with I mean, I can't say the whole like Jersey City Police Department or anything, but I mean, I like when I see somebody like grew up in the neighborhood, the people here, or women or black people, Spanish people or whoever, and it's like, oh, you know us, you grew up with us, or whatever. I think it helps to build trust. I know that's not going to be 100%, but then at the same time, it's like are you like are you on the other side? Are you like did you change?
That's what I was just gonna say.
Right.
I know a couple people that grew up. I mean, like I went to school with. I know people that lived in my project, Puerto Rican dudes, right? I know people that, and it's like they adopt this fucking us versus them mentality, like you were speaking.
Yeah, you kind of have to when you join that organization.
It's like when you join the military.
Who has stricter laws in the fucking country?
So I know people that went to the military, right? And they came back different people. They went out there, wherever the fuck they went, wherever they were stationed, wherever they was fucking boot camp, all that shit, right? And they came back to Jersey City a whole different fucking person, a whole different mindset, a whole different. Like you grew up in the Jersey City culture, where kind of hood, you know what I mean? You ripping and running the streets. You got that hood mentality, and then you come back. Now chilling with black folk, whatever, and then you come back, and it's you dropping M bombs with the ER, with the hard ER. You know what I mean?
Yikes!
Or calling them coons and shit around. Like, I had somebody do this shit around me, and I told them like, "Yo, don't do that shit around me. I'm not the one. Know your audience." You know what I mean? Like,
read the room.
Word. Like, I'm the wrong one to do that. If you ever I'm the epitome of wrong person to do that shit in front of. Like, no, I got nieces that are half black. 98% of my friends are black.
Your soul is black.
Pretty much. Like, I grew up in the projects around all black folk. I had one other white family there. I had a bunch of Spanish family, but just mainly black. Like, I'm never gonna be okay with you being like, you know what I mean, saying racial slurs about black folk, bro. I'm never gonna be okay with it. I'm gonna always defend them.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, no. So it's that whole mentality. Like, they join that, whatever it is, whether it be the police,
The judicial system.
whether it be the army or the Marines, or I'm not saying all of them. That's not what I'm saying, but there's some of them.
Yeah.
That you grew up with and you knew them a certain way, and then they go and they enlist. Yep. Or they apply to become a police officer. And when they do, they start hanging around certain people and they change who they are.
Yeah.
And they come back different. And that's the fucking problem.
Yeah.
So you can't look at it like, you can't even think like, oh, you know what I mean? Like such and such in the hood, he's a cop. I mean, he's going to do a lot of good for the, nah. Yeah. You can't, because some of them going to change.
You know what's interesting? And I told you I watched the movie American Skin, and that exact thing like came up. It was, I mean, I'm not going to say the whole story, but there was a part where the criminals, the convicts, were able to talk with the cops. It was, you know, it was civil, despite the whole plot, but it was civil. And there was one guy, Spanish guy, I don't know if Cuban, Mexican, who knows, but he was light, you know, white passing, and he was being fucking disgusted. He was like, oh, he talked to, there was like a Latino man, maybe Mexican or Salvadorian. He had the, you know, you could see that tattoo. He was just like talking, and he told the cop, because the way the cop was talking was very like privileged, like you fucking criminals, this and this. And the dude, he just calm. He's basically in Spanish telling him like, you're fucking sellout. You're supposed to, you know, do this, and you're like a Latino man, and this is the way you treating your own. That's the way you talking to people. That's the way you think. Like the way he told him that the cop, he got so like enraged that he was gonna like, and yeah, he's like, you rapist, like there's all of this like wild shit, and it was crazy because I'm like, that shit really happens. Like he's like, you a Latino man, a cop. This a Latino man on the other side, and he's just kind of like, yeah, you're a sellout, not because you're a cop, but more because that's the way you talk about your own people.
And you know that sometimes the cop of the same race, because they have something to prove, they're harder on their own people.
Yeah, he said, I'm not like you. He was like, I'm not like you. And I'm like, well, probably worse. But it was very interesting. Like you said, sometimes you think it beat him. And I mean, I know like all these videos have been circulating in the last few years with, you know, Black Lives Matter and all the things people been seeing. I remember one video that I saw, I was like, oh shit. There was like some people protesting. It was peaceful. It was a girl. She had her hands up. She had her knees on her knees, and the white cop, he like knocked her over some shit. And the black woman cop, you remember that was she?
Yes, I remember that shit.
She was like, what? Like she told them.
Oh,
that shit was amazing.
See, but you have good people on the force.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's the thing. Like what she did, that was.
Yeah, I remember that.
That was the thing. That's like.
Yeah.
See, that's exactly what needs to happen. Like that there.
That's very
rare.
Very
few.
Because
not a lot of people trying to rock the boat.
Get all the black women on the boat.
Because then you're looked at like you're a fucking traitor.
Right.
Yeah.
And that's the fucking problem. It's them that are looking at fucking civilians, whatever you want to call us,
as a fucking problem,
as the enemy. Like, how can you be a police officer and look at people that you're fucking serving and protecting as the enemy?
Yeah.
As the ops is wrong.
It's wrong.
And the worst.
That's the wrong fucking mindset.
I think the worst part with that, even Joe, like even with this whole Chauvin case going on with George Floyd and all that stuff, like what, not to say what shocked me was what he did. That was, we already know. But it was more importantly, they were trying to pull up George Floyd's record. But this man, his motherfucking record himself, like, sir, you've had so much misconduct on the force. Like, Your own people on the force don't fucking like you. They think you're an asshole. Like he had all this misconduct, physical altercations, all this shit, and it's like that. You a fucking cop. Like you trash. You trash. Even if he wasn't a cop and that was your record, you're still trash.
He's towing the blue line, so it's gonna be hard as hell to get rid of somebody. They'll get rid of him if he's doing the right thing.
Office duty, desk duty, is that what they call it?
Yeah, desk job.
No, he need to go to fucking jail.
And you know
he
what?
kneeled on a man's neck for fucking 9 minutes.
And I think the craziest part is, even, we've seen this. I remember, for me, for example, like I've become very desensitized to see every day. I'm just like another one.
Shouldn't be.
I mean, not to say desensitized, like, not to say like I don't feel anything anymore, but it was just in the beginning. Like, remember what Amadou Diallo, Sean Bell, back when I was a kid, it was like, oh my God, it was like, holy shit. Now it's just
Rodney King.
Yeah, now it's just like every day it's like you hear somebody and I'm like, I really can't. I can't watch these videos. I can't hear it.
That's because of social media though.
Yeah.
That's because it's so like in your face.
Before it was so shocking, like holy shit.
See, it wasn't shocking. Like I said, I grew up seeing it.
Yeah, you see it in the hood.
Shit. We had a cop that they used to call Dickhead. Like that was his nickname.
Well, I grew up in the hood too, but I wasn't. My parents were very I wasn't exposed to it. But I knew.
I'm talking about the projects.
I live right down the street from
It's different. I know where you grew up. It was different though.
It was a different kind of hood.
This where you grew up in Montgomery projects was different. In Booker T projects, it's different.
Yeah, you're right.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
You were less prone to seeing it than I was.
Because everybody went over there.
Like I literally looked out my window when I saw the fucking cops just harassing motherfuckers, throw them on the ground, throw them up against the gate, just because they was walking in the hood, and they was young teenagers.
Because they fit a profile.
Word.
Man, that's how.
And this is what I'm saying. Like people, I get on social media, especially through all the shit ever since fucking Mike Brown.
Yeah.
Like that's the one
that's the one in New York, right?
No, that's Ferguson.
Yeah. Oh, the one in Ferguson. Yeah. I remember that. Ferguson. Missouri.
He shot the fuck. He said
laid out in the middle of the street.
He shot the young boy, man. Like what was he? 17? Mike Brown was 17, something like that.
Yeah.
So I started getting more active and more vocal with that type of shit.
Advocating.
Yes, and I started talking against the police brutality on social media then.
Yep.
But that was on social media. Motherfuckers that know me knew I was talking about that shit long before it.
Oh, absolutely.
You know what I mean? And then they say, oh, well, no, you're just seeing that because you see it on social media. No, motherfucker, I seen it in my hood.
Yeah.
I know the fucking police. I know what they do. I seen how they act. I seen how they treat motherfuckers in the hood just because we from the hood. Granted, they ain't do it to me. You know what I mean? I one, the white skin, but two, my mother was a crossing guard.
Yeah.
She worked for the Jersey City Police Department. Right. They knew who the fuck my mother was. They wouldn't touch me.
Right.
You know what I mean? Especially like those cops that was fucking with people, they knew my mother. Oh, that's Mikey's son. Leave him alone. Like,
yeah. He was off limits.
Yeah, like, and plus I wasn't out in the hood acting crazy and shit.
True.
I never did my dirt there. I did my dirt on the hill. I was up on the hill while
You don't eat where you shit at.
Yes. When I gotta walk in at 2-3 o'clock in the morning, I don't need nobody coming up to me fucking with me. I need to be safe when I walked home.
Word. Home gotta be home.
That's it.
Word up.
And when I walked in Montgomery Projects, it's always, what up, Joey? It's good, baby. That's it.
Yep.
You know what I mean? Whatever the fuck I saw go on, I ain't see it.
Yep.
That's how it is.
That's how it is.
So, but I seen that shit, man. And motherfuckers trying to be like, oh, well, you're just speaking about it because of social media. You seen the wrong side. No, motherfucker, I seen this shit way before social media existed.
Or how about the motherfuckers that pretend like this shit don't exist? Like the racism is a thing of the past.
They should just abide, but they should just listen to the officers. Then they wouldn't happen.
If he would have complied and you know, did everything.
And then I think everybody else. I'm like, how about
he did comply?
Yeah, how about the woman sleeping on a fucking couch and they barge in and you shoot her? How about homie in the fucking Walmart? How about the people who shot with their kids in the car? How about a woman just in her house, minding her goddamn business? You barge in, he was in the wrong fucking house. How about the officer who walked into the apartment she thought was hers?
Yeah.
Like, what? We're not even. I'm sleeping. I'm in my house watching TV. Like, you really? What the fuck? Like, really? What the fuck? I was just researching because I was a kid. I was just looking it up. What Amadou Diallo? I was like, what happened to the goddamn officers that after that. I actually looked up and it says, that was right there in the city, the Bronx right there, that the whole the street unit division was all disbanded. And it was 300 officers on. It was 4 officers who killed. I remember that shit was like, I felt like I was like, is this real life?
That was Giuliani's
Yeah. And
police
what I when that,
operation.
remember Sean
Remember
Bell?
what he did?
Remember Sean Bell? That was when that was what that was.
With a RICO
Oh,
charge started
that was
coming.
like 15 years ago. Sean Bell
Sean
too.
Bell?
Yeah, that shit was like what?
Oh wow.
That was '06.
Yikes.
And yeah, and then it's crazy because it's like this shit was happening back 15 years ago, 20. It was happening in the 60s. Like you could literally look at pictures now and you'd be like, you think you're looking at a history book, but it's right now. And I think the most important thing with like this whole George Floyd thing, especially, it's not national news. This is like international, worldwide news.
No, we looked at
I did my first peaceful protest. I was in the march last summer, and you see just catching the vid
with them viddy vibes.
But like
cough, cough.
that was before then.
Sneeze.
But even with that, it was like we weren't doing people weren't just protesting here. They were protesting in France. They were protesting in Italy. They were protesting everywhere.
Because wrong is wrong, no matter where the fuck you're from.
This is why this particular case is so like, holy shit, what are you gonna do? Because it's not. Now, it wasn't just a city that protested. It wasn't just a group of people. It was people all over the goddamn world saying, what the fuck is wrong with those people? And protesting. So guess what? However way this sways, if they want to be like not guilty, mistrial, whatever, again, the whole world is but at the same time, and then what? Then what? There's a whole lot of other people who are also
right.
Look at the 13-year-old boy who just got killed in Chicago.
Gets convicted in
what changes?
Nothing.
And then if
you
he
just
doesn't
put
get
one guy away.
And then what changes? And then if he doesn't get convicted or he does get convicted, what changes? You got a kid, 13 years old, got killed by the police in fucking Chicago.
Hold on.
What changes?
Let me ask you. Let me respond. What changes is if you hold one accountable and you really like throw the book at him because you realize how fucked up was what he did, right? It could take that one person to spark change. Because now, oh shit, Chauvin got the fucking book thrown at him. Now they holding us accountable.
But that's not everybody. It's in that city.
But listen, I'm just saying, once one goes, then the others feel like, because right,
make them an example.
Police are not being held accountable for their actions.
No.
Period.
Nope.
Right? They wear the badge and they get the pass. That shield protects them.
Right. Literally.
It don't protect us. It protects them.
Yep.
From doing whatever the fuck they want and getting away with it.
Mm.
But when you start holding motherfuckers accountable, and that's why people are protesting. That's why people are fighting for this fight. Because, like, no, motherfucker, we want justice. What is justice? Holding him accountable.
Right.
You murdered a man, you need to do the fucking time.
If it was on purpose or not.
The same way if my ass went out there and started shooting a motherfucker, no matter who the fuck it is, I'm going to get locked the fuck up because I ain't got a badge.
If it was on purpose or not, people still go to jail. Like, I didn't mean to. You still go to fucking jail.
But that's what I'm saying. If it's me, I'm going to be held accountable for my fucking actions.
Right.
Yeah, everybody.
Just because you wear a fucking badge does not make you immune
or
to being exempt from fucking
law.
Like
rules and regulations.
My thing is
not above the law.
That's what I was gonna say. My thing is when you get that shield, you're supposed to like uphold the law. You're not supposed to be above the law.
Right.
That's what the shield is. Like, I'm not anti-police. That's not the stance I'm ever taking.
Yeah,
I'm anti-bad cop.
Right.
And then this is the thing. Whenever I say, "Oh, the bad cop," oh, but what about the good ones? Right? That's the argument. And my rebuttal to that is, let's say I go to a fucking diner, right? And I have a server come up to me and she spills coffee on my fucking leg and burns me, right?
It still burns you.
Wait, let me finish. If she spills coffee on my leg and burns me, and I go to her fucking manager and I'm like, yo, your server just fucking burned me. I want her fucking fired. How fucking retarded would it be for that manager to say, well, I have good servers though? How fucking retarded is that? If I'm saying, yo, she's a horrible server, fire her. She burned me.
Yeah.
No, but what about the good ones I have? I'm not talking about them. You're bringing them into an argument that has nothing to do with them. That's exactly what saying, what about the good cops sounds like.
What about all lives matter?
It's deflecting.
What about all lives matter, Joe? All lives matter, though. Duh.
Listen. Yes, all lives do matter, but right now we focusing on Black lives because that's who's being killed. Mm-hmm. That I'm not part of all lives. I'm Black Lives Matter, right? I'm with that. You know what I mean? Because yes, Black lives do matter. But the thing is, it's deflecting again.
Yeah.
It's taking away focus from the bigger issue.
Right.
That's all they're doing. Oh, but and I remember when it first like before the all lives matter shit, like all that shit. I remember when I put that shit up one time, right? And this is before that shit became mainstream with these fucking racists. I put it up because I'm like, in my mind, it was like, you know what? Everybody's created equal, right?
Right.
Like all lives matter, but I was in my mind at that time, it was like I'm encompassing the Black lives, like the Black people in it too.
Right.
Everybody,
Unity.
Your life matter, my life matter, everybody.
Yeah.
But when somebody says Black lives matter,
doesn't exclude,
and you fucking come back with no, but all lives matter.
Fuck you, sir.
No, that's fine. Yes, all lives do matter, but right now we focusing on these Black lives that are being murdered by police officers.
Right.
That's who we focusing on. Let's get that right, and then we could go back to all lives.
No, see that also your response and how your tone, it would probably put their guards down a little bit because there's confrontational language being said on both sides,
right?
Where there's gonna be no middle ground. You talking tough, you talking doing all this shit. Ain't nobody gonna want to listen.
Right?
They're gonna want to do something about it. But how he dropped it was like, all right, we're not gonna talk about all lives matter until we fix this problem, so that all lives can matter.
Right, right. Yep, that's right.
So you have to drop that knowledge and make them see sometimes, because these people got the blinders on. You know what I'm saying? They're stuck in a way.
Listen,
and they don't even want to.
A lot of them are fucking racist.
Yeah.
And just don't want to admit that Black lives do matter.
Yeah, that too.
You know why? Because to them, the Black lives don't matter.
Yeah.
They're less than human to them.
Yeah.
So,
and that's called eugenics, folks. Look it up.
That's why but all lives matter. Yeah, nah, motherfucker, you don't mean that all lives matter.
No.
Because if you're not upset that these Black people are getting murdered, unarmed Black men, women, and children are children.
Yeah.
Tamir Rice was 12 years old.
Yeah.
This kid in fucking Chicago, granted, they said he had a gun. Okay, but when he turns around and his hands are up with no gun in his hand,
fucking trigger happy.
Right? Yeah, Trayvon was what, 17, I think.
He
was younger.
Right?
I don't remember how old Trayvon when it happened, but he was young.
He's still a kid.
He's a fucking kid.
Yeah.
That was a goddamn civilian.
Like, bro,
civilian.
Like taking the law in his own hands.
Look, man.
Like vigilante.
17.
He was 17.
Yeah.
I don't know how the fuck Zimmerman is walking around.
The guys that killed Sean Bell were not acquitted either, apparently.
Listen.
I didn't even know that shit.
Listen, man.
Like, what?
I don't understand how this disgusting piece of shit George Zimmerman is walking around. He's out here signing Skittles bags.
Yeah,
that's fucking disgusting. You're proud of killing a kid?
Yeah.
You piece of shit.
He felt like a man that day, right? Like,
yo, give me 5 minutes with that motherfucker.
The Latino man.
I swear. Nah, he ain't. Fuck that Latino shit. His last name is Zimmerman. I don't know no Latino named Zimmerman. That's not a
German
Latino name.
Jewish.
Word. Fuck out of here, homeboy.
No, I mean, and that's the other thing too. Like in the Zimmerman case,
he wasn't even a goddamn cop.
Vigilantism, trying to take the law in their own hands. Now, you didn't see the other thing in social media? That dude that was like in the army and he was like bullying the guy walking in his neighborhood.
He looked like a little teenager.
Yeah,
like he was like kind of like nerdy and shit like that. And the dude was like, military cock diesel, thinking that he's tough. Get out of here, buddy.
Get out of my fucking neighborhood. Fuck you, bitch.
I said,
see, Yo, this the shit. They picked the right ones to fuck with.
My son Elijah, that's something that happened to him.
See, and I would Elijah is he's quiet and chill. Yeah. That's the ones they'll pick
why?
on.
Oh, because off record, so that girl is related to the I don't give a fuck. Show me the video. I flipped all the shit over. I moved out of there in a fucking month. You better be goddamn kidding me. As much shit as I've done in this community, give y'all fucking cookies, give y'all fucking food, all the shit for the holidays. Fuck all of you. I don't give a fuck who it was. I was furious because at the end of the day, I'm like, I know my son. Like, I know him. Not to say my son can't do no wrong. Not that. But I tell him, I know because he told me what happened. But prior to that, like, this is what happened. This is how I feel. Okay, so if somebody ever comes to me about something, I already know the story. Show me the video. You know, they couldn't even show me the goddamn video. Oh, there was nothing found. Sorry. Fuck you. Like, suck my dick. No, I'm not doing it. I
told you she was a man.
It was so upsetting because I know there were people, you saw it on my wall. There were some Latinas on my wall. Well, you know, all lives matter. And I went off. I was like, don't you dare come with that shit. Don't you dare come with that shit on my Facebook. Because I decided to say something. Stop.
Yes, bro.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Because I mean,
bro.
I would write stuff on my Facebook, and regardless if they wanted to say whatever the fuck they want to say, I don't go on there. Well, all lives matter. Well, no, all black lives matter. I wouldn't do that. But it's like you coming at me, then everybody's cursing you off. And you know what I had to do? I said, do you have any kids? No. Okay, well, listen to this. When you decide, or if you decide to ever have kids, do you feel like you ever need to have a conversation to your son to just give them the whole fucking protocol? If God forbid they were in a certain neighborhood, if they're around certain people, don't do that. Act like this. Put your hands here. Do like you're not. Oh, well, my grandmother, she was actually black, but she was. I don't give a fuck about your grandmother. I didn't ask shit about that. Like, what the fuck? Like, just because you white pass and I don't give a shit. But are you going to have that conversation? Are you afraid when your husband leaves the fucking house that he might not come back because you saw something that was like triggering? I have a black father, I have black brothers, and my kids, they're brown boys, and my daughter. So it's like, do you ever feel like you have to have, I don't ever have to have that conversation. Well, kudos to fucking you.
I had that conversation, and that's fucked up with Jacob.
Yeah, and you've had to.
I had to. He's Dominican and Puerto Rican.
Yeah, but white people are like, I don't have to have a conversation. Well, if they just complied, how about fuck you? How about if you just comply?
Yeah, fuck you, Becky.
You know, sometimes complying is not always a good thing.
No, but then you have the white people. White people get shot by cops too. Well, whoop.
Oh, the statistics, right?
Yeah.
Like more cops shoot white people than anyone else.
Because y'all commit the most fucking crime.
Well, how come those conveniently never make video?
But what was that dude who went into the church? Fucking he made it out alive. They brought him fucking McDonald's or whatever the fuck fuck that name. Fuck him.
Dylan Roof, that bitch ass nigga.
But you're hungry? Okay, we'll get you food.
Come on, man. It's blatant. At this point, it's blatant.
Like, it's right in front of your fucking eyes.
That was the example there.
You cannot force someone to see what they don't want to see. It's literally in front of our faces everywhere. Mm-hmm. Like there's fucking video. I've seen video of like white dudes attacking police, and them not even pulling a fucking taser on them. I've seen videos of fucking white guys threatening to shoot the police. Not a fucking gun was pulled. I've seen them, all that shit. We seen it, like fucking mass shootings. White dudes get away with it. Or they get locked up, but they get escorted out.
But they say that they have mental health issues.
Mental health issues.
Yes.
So they get off on that.
Yes. So, like, it's the bullshit, man. It's so fucking blatant.
And that's the narrative too.
Yeah.
The narratives are different.
So what? So motherfuckers, black and Latinos in the hood can't have fucking mental issues.
You got fucking PTSD from all the shit we see on the fucking
like
TV.
How the fuck the white boy in the fucking nice neighborhood with fucking mommy and daddy in his house, you know what I mean? In the fucking nice little fucking suburban house has fucking mental issues, right?
Right.
But yet the motherfucker that grew up around gun violence, fucking police brutality, drugs, prostitution, all this shit, they don't have mental issues. They don't have none.
You know what was the most interesting for me? I was
like, nigga, I grew up around that, and I'm Latino, but I look white.
You like brown.
You know what I mean? Like, I grew up around it. I know how that shit affects you.
Yeah.
I seen this shit. I could tell you stories. How I seen motherfuckers laid the fuck out, they bullet hole in their head right in front of my fucking building. When I was 8 years old, I saw a motherfucker OD. He was out there all night in the winter. And he was fucking blue like a Smurf in the morning when I walked my dog. Like, I seen it. Yeah. I came walking into my fucking building and I saw some dude butt ass naked with his face leaking blood.
Wow.
He just had socks on. He was like, yo, help me. I'm like, yo, I don't know shit, because I ain't getting in none of this shit.
Word.
You did whatever the fuck you did, you deserve that shit. I don't know. I stay the fuck out of problems.
You know what's interesting?
But I seen that shit.
You know what's interesting too, Joe, when you say that?
Wait. I'm sorry. But I seen all that crazy shit, right? Did I go and fucking shoot up a school?
Yeah.
Did I go like kill somebody, or rape somebody, or do some wild shit and blame it on my mental illness?
But see, the narrative too is that you grew up in that environment, so your nature is to be aggressive and react that way. Like they always flip the script no matter what.
I got you aggressive right here.
You know what's interesting is that I was having a conversation with a good friend of mine, white boy. You know, he matches the quota of, you know, I'm a white guy, well off. My parents took care of me, all that shit, and he's gotten into some real legal like shit. Like crazy shit that God forbid it was one of us. Shit, we in jail.
Done.
But you know what was interesting was what was interesting was like just speaking to him. He understands that I understand that because I'm white, because I have money, and because my parents can literally pay off any fucking lawyer, pay off whoever they want to. I've never done time. He goes, and I should be in jail for life for some shit. And he goes, he was having a conversation with his mom. And she's like, well, you know, I feel like people should comply. He's like, but mom, do you worry about if I make it home? Like, are you worried? And I told him, you know, it's good to know, you know, people be like allies, all that shit. Some people get mad about it or whatever. But to me, this is a reason why I tell my Black and brown friends, like, we can't be so aggressive with every white person, anybody who's trying to be an ally, because we do want to have a conversation, and us, like, nobody's listening. Just like when they do this shit, they're not listening to us. Exactly. So I told him, I was like, you know what? It's really good that you had that conversation with your mother, even if she agrees or not. I said, because at the end of the day, if I were to have that conversation, or a Black man was to have that conversation, she probably wouldn't get it. Maybe she don't get it now. Yeah. But I said, it's really important or very good when a white person can have those conversations and talk about, you know, I have a very good friend, shout out to Leah, that she talks about this all the time. She grew up in the hood, and, you know, maybe it was more, financially like disadvantaged. It wasn't so much because she wasn't Black or brown, but she, like Joe, grew up with her adopted family's Black, all that's it. She has, you know, that's the culture she knows. I'm just saying that that's what she grew up around.
So like Joe.
No. She that's what she grew up around. That's what she calls family. That's how she talks.
Wait. I'm like, what do you know that I don't know? Like, my family ain't my family.
Sorry, that's why you're so different. Figures. Damn. But just and one time I remember she said, so I shared with her poem that she did. She did a great poem, Dear Black Man. She did that shit.
Did she do?
Yeah, she blocked you.
No. She blocked me?
Yeah, y'all was going into it.
Wait, but didn't she at 512, she did one of the open mics?
No, she wasn't there.
Sure?
Right.
Because I remember somebody doing that, a poem like that.
And it wasn't her though.
Oh,
like, yeah, her
poem. No shout out to Leah, because you blocked me.
It was regarding church stuff. It wasn't even that. But I just to say, like, I know she said some things on social media, and I've shared it.
No.
And I've shared it, but
tumbled my ass.
I've shared her stuff, and I have some, you know, Black.
I can't see it because she blocked me.
Some Black folk will be like, "Oh, you know, I'm not gonna share that. She's white," and I'm like, "Do you hear what the fuck she's saying?" I'm like, sometimes it's gonna take another white person or white-looking person to get through other white people so they can fucking understand.
Well, back in historical times, they had abolitionists that were white that helped try to free the slaves. Without that, they would have never gained traction. Yeah. So you need people
on that
side to help move the movement.
Yeah, and that's why I say, like, I understand we're angry, we're fucking pissed, we're a lot of negative emotions, but at the same time, if we're trying to reach that certain people, we really have to watch how we come. I remember it was one event, it was a Black Lives Matter event here in Jersey City, And dude was just talking. He was like, yeah, because the black people. And I was like, hold up, sir. You sound really angry. I get it. You can't talk to everybody like that. Because guess what? They're going to turn it off and they don't want to hear. Fucking because then guess what? You fit the angry black man profile, the angry black woman. And we could be angry, but we really have to just watch, know your audience. You know, how are we going to say certain things? Like there's the, what's her name? Is it Jane Elliott? She's the one who did the blue eye, brown eye study.
Yeah.
Like she got a lot of heat for what she's, her experiments and shit. But I'm like, but again, white woman, blue eyes or whatever. But she was people really understanding her message because of the way things, the way she presented it. And it's like, guess what? Maybe she had a lot of white people understand the concept because of her. But I'm like, God forbid that was a black woman, she probably wouldn't have been able to reach as many people as she did. Because just because you look a certain way, people are gonna listen to you.
Yeah, or tune you out.
Yeah, but a white person probably listen to a white person more than they probably listen to me or you.
Absolutely, that's why it's important to have allies on that side.
Listen,
because it's going to reach.
Let me tell you something.
The audience that makes the change.
As someone that's half white,
they don't listen to you, Joe. You open your mouth.
As someone that's half white and is on this side, right, on the right side of it, who talk to the ones on the other side, they don't want to fucking give a shit.
Yeah.
They don't. You hear your accent, Joe?
They do not care what the fuck my white ass or anybody else white ass that is pro Black Lives is saying. They don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
Sometimes I like to think, Joe, that what you said is like, nah. I remember one time he was like, or you even have a white friends that be like, the unmitigated gall, that button. Have the white person would tell white passing friends or you or my other friends that's white looking, start talking shit, start saying racial shit, and they be like, hold up. They just think they could say shit because I'm look white, and they be like, hold the fuck up, you got the wrong white looking person, because they feel like, yeah, you know what these niggers will hold the fuck up. I couldn't imagine Joe got the wrong white looking person, and it's
I hold up and punch a motherfucker in the mouth real quick.
Yeah, but it's like you really
that shit.
You got the unmitigated audacity.
The unmitigated gall.
The temerity.
The temerity.
To say shit.
Sheer audacity. The unmitigated gall.
To just be like, yeah, because
That's
these things in here, and you're like, sir, no, but it's like, because you're comfortable with talking to somebody that looked like you, but that's the wrong motherfucker you got.
Yeah.
It's
like I said, man, races are not going to change their fucking mind.
No,
they're not. It's stupidity, it's ignorance, and you can't teach them right. What they say is right in their mind, and they not changing. Yep. You gotta understand that shit.
That's deeply rooted.
Very deeply rooted. It was either taught to them, it was passed down to them.
Yep.
Or they feel slighted or done wrong by someone of color, and that's where their hate comes from.
Yeah.
So no matter what, there's something that planted that in them, and it's gonna take a damn near miracle from God for it to change it.
Racial profiling,
like, and that's the fucking sad part, where there's never gonna be an end to it because it's gonna always be passed down from generation to generation.
Do you think our generations are getting better, or no?
No.
Really?
No, because when was it? Maybe like last year or the year before, like maybe like end of 2019 or some shit. It was like when TikTok started taking off. It was his white boyfriend and girlfriend, and they did a TikTok. It was some racist ass shit. It was some racist shit.
Wait, that wasn't the one where they was in a bus or something, right?
No, they was in the bathroom, and it was sinking some words on the paper, some wild shit.
I think I know what you're talking about. It was some
real super racist
something
shit.
Like down the sink or
yes,
something. Yeah, uh-huh.
They young. They were relatively young, maybe late teens, early 20s, maybe. Maybe they're late teens, maybe 17, 18, 19. I don't know. But that's fucking young.
Yeah.
And to have that mindset in this generation, nah, that shit ain't gonna go nowhere.
It's taught.
That's the sad part, man.
It's taught or learned. Yeah, it really
Listen,
is.
Man,
all behaviors are learned.
There's nobody, you cannot get me to believe that there's ever been one person that was born a racist.
No.
Never.
Nope.
you learn that shit.
You
You learn that shit from your family.
and you see little kids,
Yo,
real
look,
little kids. They
listen,
don't
man.
see color.
Listen, man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you, I'm so fucking glad that I grew up where I grew up. I've said it here before, and I'll say it again. I'm grateful for growing up in the projects.
Yep.
I'm grateful for growing up around majority of black folk in my community. Because, bro, my grandmother was fucking racist.
You did say
My
that.
mother's mother.
My grandmother was racist. My great grandmother was racist.
My mother's mother was racist. And yo, my aunt was dating a black man, and my grandmother used to call him all types of shit. I was young.
Remember it?
But see, that's why I'm grateful that I grew up where I grew up. Because I knew that shit was wrong.
Right.
Because I knew the community. I knew people. I knew black people that are good people.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, I know, like, not to believe this
And
racist shit.
you know, white people, some white people shitty and some white people good.
But look, so then she left him. My aunt left that guy, and she got with this other guy, right? And he was stand-up guy, and he took care of my grandmother. And when he came into the picture, that's when she changed. Sometimes it takes something like that.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like to change the mindset.
Yeah, because they haven't had that like experience with the person and that personal level.
That same Jane Elliott study, when I watched the whole thing, it was old and shit like that. But the most interesting part was, I think the first time she did it was like Iowa. Like there's
it was Iowa.
Rural town. There was no black people there, none, zero. So much that she had asked the kids. She's like, has anybody seen a black person? These kids have never seen a black person. They've never seen them, but they had opinions about them already. But so what do you think about them? Oh, they're bad, they're stupid, and it's like, time out. You ain't never seen a black person, but you form these opinions off, like you said, they were taught. And you already think there's one thing, and it's nothing like.
Well, how many people like that too have ever seen an Arab person and already it's like terrorists, like right off the rip.
Yep.
Right. And so it's like all that shit is taught. You know what I'm saying? And these are the same motherfuckers that are cops when they're older. So now they had that seed planted and watered all these years.
What we said, kids was bullied. Now they want to be cops so they could bully other people.
Yeah,
that's real.
Fucking power trip.
That's real shit.
You know one thing though, I know we're talking about the bad shit they do, and not to say let's talk about the good thing, but one thing I got heat for it. I got heat for it on social media because it was a video that like circulated online. It was Jersey City cops. They was up on Bostwick. This was a few months ago. They was up on Bostwick. They got a call about, I think, a fight or something like that.
Oh, yeah, I remember.
Yeah, they got it. There was a fight or whatever. So the cops went, and all of a sudden, people wanted to swing at the cops. So what the cops do? They were swinging back. Then nobody pulled a gun. They had their the sticks?
Nice stick.
Yeah, the baton. Yeah, they had that. They even had pepper spray. So that's what they did. Nobody shot a gun. Nobody pulled the gun. Right. This is all in Bostwick, probably the fucking street up on the hill. And one of them, yeah. So there was crowds. There was crowds grabbing, and they was defending themselves. Because I'll be damned, you ain't gonna whip my ass. I don't give a fuck if I'm in uniform or not. I'm gonna fight fist to fist.
Yeah.
And they got so trashed online because they're like, these cops are beating people, and I'm like, listen, I'll be the first one to cry out, what the fuck? However, I'm like, wait, so nobody got shot. Nobody pulled the gun. I think they followed protocol. Nobody was,
It's an old school rumble.
Basically,
fight out of it.
Yeah, we're gonna fight out of it. Yeah,
Right.
they pepper spray motherfuckers. They beat niggas with batons. But guess what? I kind of felt like I think they handled that the right way. I mean, there's a crowd coming to beat your ass. I'm gonna fight back.
And they still have to go back to their families.
Right. But I think like for that instance, again, I don't know still the entire story, but people were like, fuck the guy. And I'm just, hold up. I think they actually handled it the right way. Cause at the same time, yeah, I'll be the first one. We'd be the first one to be like, yo, fuck the police and shit like that. But it's like, they actually did handle that, I think, in the right way.
It could have easily gotten ugly.
It really easily. One gun go off and it's a whole scene. Somebody, but the fact that they did handle it that way, I'm like, okay, so it's a problem if they did what they did or did not. But that's like you said, like we're conditioned to even feel a certain way towards, not to say conditioned, but we've learned or become fearful or become however way we form these opinions because of the things we've seen.
Right.
Like, I mean, there been times I be driving and I see a cop and I'm like, oh shit, like, and I didn't do nothing.
Yo,
I ain't
get
do
like
shit.
that.
Yeah, I
me
ain't do
too.
shit. I ain't do nothing.
If a cop pulls up behind me, I'm shook.
Anxiety attack.
I'm like, yo, this motherfucker.
Right.
Yo, bro, my license is straight. My insurance is straight.
I'm
my
sober.
fucking registration is straight. But when the cop pulls up behind me, I'm like, yo, he's about to read my tags. He's about to pull me over some bullshit.
Yep.
It's happened to me before. So,
yeah,
like,
I got nervous when that Sandra Bland
that's
shit
the
happened.
bullshit,
I was
bro.
like, oh my God.
Like,
Just hope they just run in the plane and they turn off.
bro, man, listen, that shit happened to me in Little Ferry, New Jersey.
Mhm.
Like, I was coming down, I forgot, I think Main Street in Little Ferry, and I seen a cop behind me. Now, at the time, my insurance, I was riding dirty than a motherfucker. I ain't had no insurance.
Chameleonaire status.
Word up. I ain't have no fucking
To
registration.
be honest, no registration neither.
No registration, no insurance. My license was good. And I just started a fucking job up in Teterboro. And shorty that I was dealing with at the time, I didn't know where Little Ferry was. So I kind of like map quested it.
Woo.
Remember map
Dating
quest?
ourselves right now.
Yeah.
Printed it out. You printed it?
Yeah.
Nah, I ain't printed out. I memorized it because she was literally down the fucking
Like
down
right off the highway,
down
of?
46, like 3 or 4 blocks and a fucking right turn. And I was at her fucking house.
Man, that sound
So I'm like, yo, you this close to me. I'm about to come see you after work, yo. Like, so then I was going to her house. So when I went on 46 and I turned. Matter of fact, he followed me off of 46. He went on 46, I turned, he turned. I'm like, oh shit. Once he turned, when I turned, it's already oh shit.
Yep.
Got down the block.
That's like the U-turn.
Yeah, I got down the block, made the right. Went down to the light, and I'm sitting there and I'm like peeping my mirrors, right? But I ain't trying to be all like, noticeable and shit. I'm like, shit.
Peripherals and shit.
Yeah, I'm looking fucking mirrors and shit. Like, and this fucking cop, he's sitting there looking up in the sky. He's like he's looking at butterflies and shit, right?
You waiting to hit that.
Oh, no. He hit it already. He just waiting for my information to come up.
Oh, shit.
And I'm just sitting there like, So then I turned, I made another right, like I was going back to 46. And as I get down the block, I didn't turn into her fucking driveway because I didn't really know yet.
Yeah.
I didn't know I had to turn in that driveway. So I said, man, fuck this. I'm going back on 46 and I'm going back towards my job. I'm going back towards my job, right? Mind you, the lines up there, the jurisdiction lines are very
weird. Lodi.
You're in that city, but you ain't in that city.
Yeah, it's like South Hackensack, Little Ferry. So he followed me. When I came out of South Hackensack, he was right there. He followed me into Little Ferry. My dumbass, had I turned into the driveway, he wouldn't have turned. Yep. He was out of jurisdiction. I didn't know this. So when I got back on 46, he waited till I got into his jurisdiction, threw them lights on, pull over. Wait, I pull the fuck over into a fucking restaurant parking lot. This motherfucker ran up on me, gun drawn. Put your hands on the fucking wheel. I'm like, yo, what the fuck, yo? Like, what did I do? Like, put your hands on the fucking wheels. I'm like, all right, bro, they're on the wheel, chill. Like, what? You ain't got no fucking license, no registration. I'm like, bro, that's no reason to have a fucking gun on me, bro. Like, what are you doing? Like, I was shook.
Yeah.
Like, what the fuck are you doing? Like, shut the fuck up. Chill, bro. Like, calm down, bro. Like, you bugging right now. Like, and then after a while, he put his fucking gun away and they took the car off me. You want anything out of the car? You better take it because I'm pounding this car. Never saw that car again. You can have it. It was a hoopty.
Yeah.
Fuck you. But that's what happened to me. Like, out of nowhere. And that goes back to the power tripping. And mind you, I don't know if he read the plate, my information, so my last name, and this a fucking stick.
Yeah, could have.
This dude was straight white boy, gung ho, like trying to kill a spick. That's what he was doing that day. He was wilding.
Trying to put you on his
scary,
wall.
Yo, bro, that was some scary shit.
Word.
Like, and it's not the first time that a cop ran up on me guns drawn. Second time was a mistaken identity. They thought I was involved in a drug transaction that was going on.
Yeah.
Like, I'm in fucking the parking lot at ShopRite. My biological pops ran into ShopRite to get fucking toilet paper that was on sale. And I'm sitting in the car, and this is when they had the Nextel church. Right? The big joint. Remember the big black joint?
Yep.
So I'm sitting in the car. There's a car that we parked next to. It was a blue, like little, I don't know, maybe like a Miata or some shit. Like a Mazda Miata, like one of them little sports looking cars, right?
Mm-hmm.
And there's some chick in the car. She actually looked kind of good, so I was kind of peeking over her and shit. I ain't gonna front. Nigga, I was like 27 years old, 21, 22.
Yeah.
So then I'm looking over there. Next thing I know, bro, I got a fucking gun in my face. Fucking undercover cops ran up on me. Put your hands on the fucking dash. And I'm like, they was thinking that my cell phone was a gun.
Wow.
Like, yo, drop that shit. I'm like, what the fuck are you talking? Put your hands on. Oh shit. I threw the all right, bro. I had my hands on the fucking like the dashboard and shit. So then they pulled me out of the car, they searched me. And I'm like, yo, what the fuck are you doing? Like, why are you running up on me? What did I do? I'm sitting here waiting for my father to come out of the fucking ShopRite. What are you doing?
Yeah.
And my pops came like, yo, what the fuck? Like, what are you doing to my son? I'm like, yo, I don't know what they're doing. They just ran up on me. They just pulled me out the car and started like searching me and shit. And it was like, oh, afterwards, oh, you know, we apologize, but you know, we thought you were part of a drug transaction that was going down. The car, and they arrested the chick. So basically, the dude got out the car and he walked off to go do whatever transaction.
Yeah.
Left her in the car. They asked her where he was. She's like, I don't know. She wound up leaving the cuffs. They saw that I had nothing to do with the shit, so they obviously let me go. But nigga, that shit fucked me up. Yeah. I was sitting there like, man, fuck y'all niggas, yo.
Word up.
Fuck you. They're like, you know, we apologize. Fuck you in your apology. Fuck you mean you sorry? You put a fucking gun on my face.
Word.
Like, my man, like it was right here, bro. Like he just came, that shit right in the window of the car, and I'm like, yo, what the fuck? Honestly, at first I thought I was getting jacked.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Like that's how they ran up because they came from like the back of the car.
Yeah, blind
and
side.
Just put the gun right by my
Was he
fucking
alone,
head.
or there was two of them?
No, there was two. Yeah. Well, actually, there was more. There was like four.
Oh shit!
It was one on each side of my car, one on each side of her car.
Did they all have their guns drawn? Or
yes, they all had their
all of
guns.
them.
All of them, all four of them.
Yeah, if you draw, everybody drawing.
Yeah, like they ran up with their guns drawn. They didn't pull that shit out. They came up, ran up, put that shit right by my fucking head. Like, yo, I'm like, yo,
they was ready to clap you.
Ready. Yeah. False move, I was done.
Yeah.
You know what's
but bro, that power trip, bro. Like, like yo, how about you do some fucking investigating? Know that I ain't got you following these fucking people. You know I ain't got shit that you saw my father go into fucking ShopRite. Like, nah, bro, you don't. Nah, it was wild. It was excessive.
You know what's very interesting? I read it a couple weeks ago. The Jersey City, I think, what is it? She runs now. She's a police director, and she's the first civilian to lead the department after following the retirement of Chief Michael Kelly in Jersey City. A black woman, black woman who is now heading the whole police department. She's a civilian though; she's not a cop. And I remember I was like, wait. What? I didn't know if it was good or bad, but I was just reading, and it says she joined the police department just as, you know, clerical shit in 2005, and now she runs the whole department. And it was interesting because Philip, even though I feel whatever type of way about him, like they was like, you know, this is the first time a civilian's heading the whole department.
How'd that work though?
Yes, because she knows every department. She's worked in each department or whatever.
She's the most qualified, basically.
Basically, that's what they're saying. And I'm like, is this just for clout? Is this for real?
So it's like, man,
but y'all
police don't know what the fuck y'all doing. We're just gonna get around.
Yeah, it says
civilian.
Yeah, they said public perspective.
Somebody with no ties to y'all.
Yeah. No, it says when a civilian files a complaint to internal affairs, so she worked in internal affairs too. She's seen the shit.
Internal affairs is a joke though, by the way.
And no one is aware of the results or if disciplinary actions are warranted. It says, so public perspective is just as valuable as police perspective. So I think we're taking a step to strengthen their police and community relations. Again, I can't say if I think that's a good idea or a bad idea, but it was, I guess, in a sense, it was at least trying to do something different to see how this works. It's not like some civilian off the street. It's not a civilian off the street, but it is somebody who does have experience in the force, maybe not as an officer.
Whatever that means, I don't know.
Yeah.
But again, because I'm saying what is the solution? What is a way to what is a step in the right direction, rather, even though
Lock these motherfuckers up. That's it.
Hold them accountable.
Hold them accountable.
And be fair in your
do
judgments.
you think those community events that the cops do is
No.
helpful?
No.
Let's hold it fair.
No.
That's because it's like a photo opportunity that they could put on the
It's
wall.
not fucking genuine. You're not getting to know the people that you're fucking in the community with.
Yeah, you're just there having pizza or fucking
you're
waters.
You're just like, all right, let's shut them the fuck up.
Word.
Hold this shit, whatever. Nah, man, I don't trust it. I don't.
Right.
Maybe I'm fucking jaded from all the shit that they did, but I don't fucking trust it. I don't.
Yeah.
I mean, like, when black and brown people are not getting fucking gunned down by police officers, maybe I'll start trusting them.
Right.
Yeah.
But until then, nah, it's fucked up.
Yeah, and you know what even upset me? What, last week when it was a veteran or military guy, he was pulled over by the cops and they were
Lieutenant or something like that?
Yeah, I'm like,
in Virginia.
What in the goddamn hell? I was like, are you fucking kidding me? I respect veterans and military people more than I respect these goddamn cops because
let me ask you a
they
question,
have a harder.
Let me ask you a question. These fucking Blue Lives Matter / why is Cap kneeling?
Flag wavers.
The false patriots.
Yeah.
Right?
Big ass motherfucker.
That they was sticking up for the fucking military when Cap kneeled.
And the flag.
Right?
Where y'all at?
Where the fuck they at? And what the fuck side they taking?
What happened?
They was conveniently missing in action for that one.
But they gave him water, Joe. They said, let's give you
Nah.
water. No, sir, we're sorry.
They gave him a scare of his fucking life. That's what they did. They gave him trauma. They gave him a reason not to trust the police.
And that man fucking served this country.
But like I told you last week, the smart move that he did was he pulled up into a gas station that was well lit.
Yeah.
And that way, because he knows the cops have body cams, so that quick thinking and calm demeanor helped save his life too.
Facts.
Like sometimes, like you can be jumpy and nervous, and your nerves get the best of you, and it sucks that we have to say that.
Yeah.
But like you gotta like kind of like that shock, like you were saying before, that fear, like shit, they're about to clap me.
Yeah.
Like I can't do sudden movements.
Absolutely, bro. Yo, it's fucking. This is the shit, yo. 9.5 out of 10 of the people that say, "Oh, you should have just fucking complied." Those motherfuckers ain't never have a fucking gun drawn on them.
Nope.
It's a whole different fucking ball game. I'm not a black man in America, and I was scared shitless with a fucking gun to my head.
Yeah.
More than once by police. I know how like you tense up.
Yeah.
Like, oh shit.
That's the adrenaline, bro.
Like, my nigga, like I didn't even want to look in his, I didn't want to look. I was like, all right, bro, all right, chill. Like I was stuck with fear. Because I was scared I was gonna get popped if I made the wrong move.
And that's a real authentic.
So people have had phones, Skittles, wallets.
But when you saying, "Oh, why didn't you just fucking comply?" Yo, granted, there was a case. If you want to look it up, you can. Mm-hmm. It was a dude in a hotel, and they had a fucking gun on the dude, and they said, "Get on your fucking knees." He got on his knees, and they were saying, "Put your hands up."
2017?
Yes. And it was like, "Crawl to me."
Yes.
And they put your hands, he's like, "But how do I? And he stood up and they popped him.
La Quinta in Arizona.
Yes, that's the fucking
and he
one.
was a white man.
Yes. It was a white man that got fucking gunned down by a cop. But I'm not even looking at the race issue of it. It's just the power trips of these cops.
He was found not guilty, by the way.
I know that.
That's
Watch that video and it's gonna blow your fucking mind. Like the way that they were giving directions to him, it was confusing as shit.
And he was reinstated into the police department in August 2018, granted retirement on medical grounds about a month later with a pension of $2,500 per month. And they said that the cop, he suffered PTSD due to the shooting.
That's a slap in the face.
Somebody lost their life that they can't get back.
But you got PTSD from doing it.
I'm so sorry.
Yo, no,
sorry for your damn luck.
All the stuff we've really discussed, dead ass. I mean, now no promotion here, but that all the stuff you guys are saying, like if y'all watch American Skin, like it brings up all the topics we talked about. From that, even do you cops have a feel like everything? Like you can not to say it shows the perspective of the police.
I mean, but you got to think.
But
the writers have sat here and watched this shit unfold
Word
for
up.
the
yeah,
last.
well, Nate Parker,
100
yeah,
years
Nate Parker was
plus.
he was a cop, but it was interesting because it wasn't so much bias just on the the black man side, but because you understood, he's a military man, all this shit, what you said about the phone, anything, then versus seeing like what are these cops thinking on the other side. So it was kind of
You know what?
interesting.
I'm gonna tell you what they're thinking.
Well, I said like
No,
the
no,
movie,
no.
it was interesting
Let
to
me
see their thought
let me tell you
process.
something. The fucking cops that are popping people, they bitch made.
Period.
100%.
Bitch made.
Mm.
I said this before. I said it on social media. I'm gonna say it right here. I don't give a fuck. This is my stance.
Bitch made.
I will go on this ledge, and I'll die on this ledge. I don't give a fuck.
Mm.
When you sign up to be a fucking police officer, you know goddamn well when you sign their name on that line, what can be the consequences of that job.
Right.
You sign up knowing that there can be a bullet with your name on it.
You're risking your life.
You're signing your life over.
Right.
You don't want to die, but you understand that it's a possibility.
Right.
When I wake up in the fucking morning to go get some goddamn coffee and I don't know my fucking back light is out and I get pulled over, I'm not fucking signing up to give my life.
Right.
Sandra Bland didn't wake up thinking, oh, I could lose my life today.
Yeah.
Philando Castile didn't think, oh, well, you know what? I'm gonna sign my life away today. These people didn't do that shit.
But that's what happens when we get pulled over by cops.
Yes, I understand. That's my point.
Yeah.
These people are losing their fucking lives just by waking up and going about their life. I'm not even talking about the people like this little 13-year-old boy in Chicago.
Yeah.
Yeah, they said he did have a gun in the video. He did. That's what they're saying. I gotta really watch the video and make sure, right? But let's say he did have a gun. I'm not even talking about him.
Yeah.
I'm talking about the people that don't have a gun. Philando Castile, he had a gun. He had a permit for it. He told them.
Yeah.
He had the fucking paperwork.
For the job,
He was honest. Like, he easily lied.
This is what I'm saying,
Oh,
yo.
that woman got 10 years for killing that man in his apartment? 10 years?
Well,
do it in his apartment,
let's
Joe.
hope she get her ass whooping.
But I think something that's most interesting, and also again, it was brought up in that movie American Skin when they said, let's just be peaceful. Let's just do this. I said, God damn it, are we the only people in the whole fucking world who are not allowed to get fucking angry and get upset and protest?
Yeah, you know why?
Yeah, well,
you know why? Because they don't view black and brown people as fucking humans.
They're like,
you don't have the same rights as this white person looking down on you.
Because look at when
all
these
the
people
shit that
stormed,
our country was founded
when
on.
these people stormed the fucking Capitol, when they stormed the goddamn Capitol, apparently it was this. Well, no, it's not like Black Lives Matter. They were looted. What the fuck are you talking about?
It's worse because you're charging the Capitol.
So it's kind of like, we do have the right to protest in America because that's one of our rights. But it's like, it's almost like the black and brown community. You're not allowed to feel angry and protest and do shit.
Yeah, you're supposed to be happy.
Yeah, and just forgive and love.
No.
God said.
You're supposed to be grateful that you're in the United States,
the
best country in the world, where you have the freedoms and liberties to have a job and have a home and all this shit. I'm like, what?
I was so pissed off. Let me tell you how pissed off I was when they were like, they're burning down the Target. Burn all the motherfucking Targets down. That's how I felt. Because you know what Target said? Target wasn't even fucking mad neither. Target was like, well,
we got insurance.
Period. I mean, unfortunately,
get that money back.
Unfortunately, there were, innocent casualties and shit like that, unfortunately.
You know who was an innocent casualty? George Floyd.
Yeah. But that's exactly what I was going to say. There were innocent casualties and people burning shit. All right, don't be stupid. And, however.
Them motherfuckers was beating on him in that car.
Yeah, but fuck it. Burn all the fucking Targets, all the fucking Wendy's, burn all that shit down. Because guess what? They can rebuild that.
And this the shit, though. You can't, as a citizen, if you watching that shit, you can't do shit. You're helpless.
Yeah.
You're helpless because now they're going to turn their guns on you and you're going to get that shit too.
Yeah, both of y'all are going to get
That's
Pop.
it. Now it's gonna be 2 people dead instead of just 1.
And you know what the crazy part is? I get so
Like I'm sorry, I don't mean to cut you off, but it just gets on my nerves when people are like, nah, if I'd have saw that shit, I'd have fucked them. No, the fuck you wouldn't, because you would have been dead right there with him.
Mhm.
Like, stop talking reckless.
Yeah,
That's not what you're gonna do.
it's easy to say from the sidelines.
Granted, I know there's some people out there that's about that shit and will give
yeah.
their fucking life for it. But everybody out here ain't built like that.
Mhm.
Not
Yeah.
about that life. So stop talking shit.
Yeah.
It's fucked up what they did to that man.
I get so traumatized every time I hear about it, and I post about it, every so often about like that with Breonna Taylor. Like I'm really like this. What? Like this girl was shot in her fucking house. Your whole house gets raped because they thought drugs were being sold out of here. Or something. What the fuck? She was an EMT, younger, like minding her motherfucking business in the middle of the goddamn night. But then I'm like, all these officers, nobody was convicted. Nobody. However, they were charged by maybe shooting bullets in the fucking wall. The fucking wall?
Yeah.
So
Property damage.
You're concerned about the fucking property damage versus this young black woman. Did you lose your goddamn mind?
No, this is how it's always been. Like,
Property.
yeah, they
damage.
value property over minority lives. Like,
No, let's get it
And it
right.
doesn't
Minority lives are their property.
that
they
too.
feel.
Yeah, and it doesn't
That's what
matter.
they feel.
It doesn't
But
matter
it's lower
what-
than like
Yeah.
buildings and flags
And
and all
it
that
doesn't
shit.
matter. She was an EMT. Philando Castile was a teacher. Like, it doesn't matter what none of these people fucking did. It doesn't matter. You're a community servant, a fucking teacher, the fucking president of the United States, whoever the fuck you are.
Yeah.
Doesn't fucking matter.
Yo, when fucking Obama got elected in, they was fucking mock fucking lynchings of him. Like, what do you think? No, man. Racism is deep in this country, man. Like,
Yeah, and how about all them
But
made motherfuckers that are reenacting the Floyd thing?
Right in Jersey, in South Jersey too. Yeah.
Their knees on like people's necks and taking pictures of it and shit.
wait,
like
they
that.
doing that now?
Yeah,
I haven't seen.
They did that shit. There was a video in South Jersey.
Let me tell you, I haven't been watching the news like that. I don't watch the news like that because it's fucking depressing.
Yeah.
I don't. I mean, I remember there was a time where you
agree.
could watch the news and you see like, oh, this crime, whatever, blah, blah. But like this shit is depressing on a whole nother level.
Absolutely, I agree.
Man, listen, I be watching my shows, my TV shows. I be watching the Practical Jokers. I want to laugh.
Not to watch the news.
Yeah, anything not to watch the news.
Yeah, people are like, you follow this case? Nope, I can't. I don't want to watch it.
No, but they want you to
be fucking traumatized.
and because they want to control your emotional response.
Mhm.
Everything is a response.
Yeah.
So like they want you riled up because when you're riled up, you're not thinking clearly.
They want the race war.
These motherfuckers already, like, what is it? Enabled the fucking National Guard, and the Chauvin case. It still hasn't been. They haven't even said shit. But you already got the damn National Guard. Everybody is fucking ready to go.
They know what's about to pop off.
But now when the Capitol was stormed, there was no goddamn body. They were just letting them in, like, "Hell, welcome, have a coffee."
Well, the fucking president at the time was fucking. Yeah. He incited it.
But I'm like, y'all.
Why would he fucking get the National Guard if he was the one that fucking set it up?
I'm like, the National Guard ready because shit's about to go. And it's like the problem is like that social media thing works the same. Like it works in both ways.
Of course.
Whereas like, okay, shit happens, we're gonna record. And the same way that this had went worldwide is the same way that the charge or the conviction is also going to go worldwide.
Yeah, we live in a global society now.
So it's like
the internet, it shrunk the world basically.
Yeah.
Like you can see shit in real time.
Instantaneously.
Yeah, I literally have the window open on like CNN for what's going on with the case. As you guys asked, like how long this could take. It could take, you said days, weeks, who knows?
Whenever they make a decision.
The trial took 3 weeks itself, but I'm on here and it's just update. It just button that just comes up saying update coverage. And I'm like, I personally haven't been following the case because I can't. Like I just don't want to really like look at that shit. I can't watch the video. I can't do none of that shit. I'll get updates. Okay, I read it. What happened? But just the fact that I can click it, I don't have to turn the goddamn news on. Let me just click it. I've had to like chill with social media because you just could be on your damn Explore page and you see a goddamn new hashtag with a name.
You still use Explorer?
I use Safari and Google Chrome. I'm sorry.
All right.
My bad.
All right. Who the fuck uses fucking
Internet Explorer? Remember that?
No.
Well, do you remember Netscape?
I used to use Firefox.
Remember Netscape, Mozilla? Use Mozilla. Remember Netscape Navigator?
No.
No, it was
What
blue.
the fuck is wrong with you?
That was back in the day. Anyway,
Weirdo.
yeah, it's so hard to stay. If somebody says they don't know about this kid, I'm like, how? It's so difficult because it's just always in our faces. You know what I mean? All the time. You could be on your explore page. Don't mute me, Jay. Are you trying to mute me? Hashtag mute Steph.
No.
But I mean, okay. Yeah. So for my closing statement, my personal, I'm lying. I'll be like that pastor in church. In closing, psych.
And I hit record like 15 minutes after we started.
Oh, goddamn. I'd like to feel like there's a silver lining in all of this. I'd like to feel that way, I said. And I like to be optimistic, but it doesn't seem like it's getting any better. Sometimes I think that shit won't happen here. And I think back about the things that are happening, and it does happen here. We like to think it doesn't because we live in an urban area and cops look like us. And, like you said, it don't fucking matter. Then you see the shit happening in, more suburban places, the same shit. But at the end of the day, like, we're all feeling it. It doesn't matter if the shit took place in Minneapolis and Chicago. Like, we feel that same pain whenever it happens anywhere because it could be any of us. It could be, people you call your brothers. It could be like literally anybody. I saw that shit with the kid who's 13 years old, and somebody's like, "Did you see what happened?" That fucked me up. My son has just turned 14. That could have been my kid, and I think, like you said, the media is inciting a certain type of emotion and a fear in us. So I'm kind of like, shit's gonna keep happening. And I can educate my kids on, this is what you do. But at the same time, it's like, but if you do that, you still might get killed, So it's just really, it's tough. And I tell people, joking but not joking, I want to have kids. If you want to bring a kid into the world right now, are you sure?
Why do you think I don't want no children? This world's fucked up.
Yeah, and you gonna have
that and my age. I ain't trying to change diapers.
You're gonna have a whole brown baby.
Who?
If you had a kid, it would be a brown baby.
It'll be beige.
Chocolate baby.
It'll be beige.
Beige. But because it's just I feel like
caramel, maybe.
Maybe.
Black folks, Spanish people.
Or it could just come out white.
Bringing a kid into the world right now, it's like, who the fuck knows what this world gonna look like?
Hey, me my girl having a fucking baby, that'd be a pretty baby. We're not having a baby, but
that's what
pretty ass baby. We talked about that.
No,
it'd be a pretty ass baby.
My
blue eyes, a pretty ass baby.
Yeah, but I think it's tough for people.
Hey, baby.
Hey, girl. You got shot out.
Yeah, absolutely.
All the time. But it just sucks. I'm like, people want to bring these kids out. Don't be bringing no kids into this fucking world right now.
I ain't bringing them.
But you know what's the crazy part?
Shit,
other countries think that, and it just dawned on me. Other countries think like it's like a fucking Wild West over here. They're like,
no, but it is.
Yeah, it is. They're like, America, what? We have to pay up the ass for healthcare. We get fucking killed. And meanwhile, they're like, that's the land of the free. Like, what the fuck kind of country?
It's an illusion.
Yeah, there's countries that my friend told me there's countries where they have the cops have their guns in their trunk.
Listen,
like
you ever watched that Jim Carrey movie, The Truman Show?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's how we're living.
Yeah.
They give us a fucking a life to live, and they keep us in the boundaries, and let us feel free. Let us do what we want in the boundaries.
Yeah.
But when you try to come out those boundaries, they're gonna put a stop to that shit immediately.
Rocking the boat.
Yeah,
no.
You ain't leaving. You ain't getting out of this shit.
It's crazy. Like I ask people all the time. They be like, Uber drivers and stuff. They're not from here. Oh, when'd you come here? Oh, a few years ago. I'm like, why? Why?
Well,
why
but you know what? The crazy shit is
the circumstances.
But the crazy shit is, the crazy shit is, people that'll come from another country.
They don't expect it.
And they have that dream, that American dream.
The fucking American dream.
A lot of them, it works for them.
Yeah, because it's been promoted.
And America wants to keep up that fucking facade.
Yep.
Right. But when you here, You ain't got that fucking American
Yeah,
dream.
people be like, this
Nope.
happens in my country. Yeah, but this is supposed to be a democratic country with rights and all this shit. It's worse here than fucking countries where they just fucking communist countries. And I feel like sometimes I live in a fucking communist country.
No, I don't know about that one.
Might be headed there that
But
one
no,
day,
it's true. It's like I have rights, but I really don't.
Yeah,
I'm a person, but not really.
Yeah,
Like
well,
what
that's all it's ever been. Like,
yeah.
it's not really rights; it's privileges
Right.
because they can be taken away. Rights can't be taken away.
Right.
That's why it's written unalienable rights.
Right.
If they can take it away, it's not a right.
Right.
It's a privilege. You know what I'm saying? And that's where they fuck you up with the language. And now the comedian George Carlin, he did that whole thing. And he was like, they call it the American dream because you got to be asleep to believe it. You heard?
Write that down.
Facts.
Shit, that was good.
Because that's some real shit.
How about instead of writing it down, just look up George Carlin.
I have to write it down so I can remember.
You gotta watch that HBO special.
He's fucking dope.
I know him.
Like
he was dope.
When he was going against like the government and all that shit, I was like, yo, he gets it.
Yeah. He got it.
Like to the T.
Yeah.
He's like, we're not part of the club, so we all getting fucked right now.
I think I had a very interesting conversation with a white woman who we were
really
white woman with blonde and long hair.
Wow, what a surprise!
Yeah. Well, man,
it's your circles.
No, I didn't. She came with another. I was like,
was it Cliffside Park?
No, it was not. I was like, which friend is this? And we were talking, and she's like, I just want to say I am all about Black Lives Matter. I'm just like, what the fuck? We're in a club. What in the goddamn hell is this girl talking about? We're having that conversation. She's like,
politics. Huh?
I just don't understand how, people want to say I have white privilege, but like I grew up dirt poor. And I'm just like, it's not about none of that. It's not about none of that, how poor you was.
That shows how fucking ignorant she is.
But you know what? At the end of the conversation, but let me tell you, at the end, not for nothing, as stupid as she was, at the end of our conversation, because the way I spoke to her, it's like she didn't understand what that really, like the wording. She didn't really understand what white privilege really meant.
Because she's white.
So I had to.
And she's been privileged.
Yeah, but
absolutely.
She's like, I was like, well, maybe you haven't been privileged because of your, financial status.
Your color of your skin.
Yeah, but no, I think that's where some people don't understand. I was like, it's not that you're privileged because you have money or don't. I said it's not something may not have, and maybe neither do I. I said, but we could both be dirt poor, and we could both go somewhere, and we're gonna be treated differently.
Right.
I heard somewhere, I forgot where I heard it from, that like when you fill out applications and shit.
Oh yes.
Like in the bank or whatever. Like let's say you fill out for a loan.
Yep.
They'll approve and deny you based on your fucking zip code.
Yeah.
Because you're part of that community.
Yeah.
That's fucking wild.
Insurance in urban communities is way higher than if you move to a
and
suburban
even applying for housing in New York City. Like I had a friend apply for housing.
Yeah.
And why is one of the requirements when you fill out these applications what your race is?
Yeah.
Mark all of them.
That should not be a question.
Yeah.
You're looking for a home. You're looking for somewhere to live. What the fuck does that matter?
It doesn't.
But it's there to be used as a discriminatory tool where they could put their racism in action.
Absolutely.
Without being overt with it.
Yeah.
Like, nope.
Yeah, bro, I've said this before. Like when I don't identify myself as a white man, even though my skin is white, I got blue eyes. I don't identify myself as a white man.
It's a black woman. You're a black woman.
Because what?
They said, "Are you a black woman?"
No, I love black women. Well, one. Maybe.
One to fix it.
Yeah,
she trying to trip you up right now.
Yeah.
Boy. Gotta stay on point.
Yo, this dude crazy. This guy
right here.
But what I was saying was, like, when I fill out an application, it'll say African American, Pacific Islander, what is it? Hispanic, not white.
Hispanic, not white. Hispanic, not black.
And then white, or something like that, or white, not Hispanic.
Yeah.
And then like I can't check that because I'm Hispanic.
Yeah.
I was
so now,
confused.
like even if I wanted to, let's say I wanted to check white, I can't because I got Hispanic blood in my veins.
Yo,
You
your
know what I
last
mean?
name, bro. Tell on you.
Word, that shit, that's Spanish as fuck. So
People get confused.
like, yo, that shit is crazy, yo. Like, why? What the fuck is the purpose
I've
of that?
literally filled out job applications.
It's woven in. That racism was woven
I've
in
literally
to that.
I've literally filled out job applications. I remember there was one place I actually got hired.
And yes, you're a black man, so you had to check that.
Uh-huh.
Where I would use my maiden last name, Olivieri, it's Italian. And then I was Sanchez with my married name. There were times I just used Stephanie Sanchez, or I would be hyphenated or use one. And I swear I would get more responses.
I thought you don't remember. I thought you didn't know that name.
It's trash.
She does.
But being hyphenated, where they one time thought I was, maybe married to some Latino, or they see me and they're like, "Are you the same person I spoke to on the phone?" I'm like, "Yeah, it was good." No, I didn't say that. Or the one time T-Mobile thought they were like, "Would you like to sign up for international calling, like to Mexico?" I'm like, "What?" Because my goddamn last name. I said, "What the fuck?" That's not part of the script.
Yo, funny though. I remember Madden, the video game.
Yep.
When Mark Sanchez, the first year that he was in it, I forgot what year he was drafted, like 09 or some shit, whatever.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. He sucked.
Yeah, no, but in the game when they said his name, like Mark Sanchez, like it was funny as shit. Like, yo, y'all fucking racist, Mark Sanchez. Like, bro, it's just
Like,
Mark Sanchez.
Word, like you never fucking.
Like, but little thing like that, I caught it. Like the way they said his name, they had to put the little Spanish accent with it, like Sanchez. Like, shut the fuck up! You don't say it like that.
The fuck?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I mean, I really hope. I mean, I don't even know if this nigga guilty, not whatever the fuck.
He's guilty.
Well, we know this.
If he's gonna,
we know this,
if
but
they're gonna
rule it.
Yeah, if they're gonna rule him.
And then, and then we fucking ran over we went over the jury. I'm like, fuck this. Like, goddamn, it's diverse. Yeah, real diverse, guys. But yeah, let's see the final verdict. Yeah, I can't watch it. This should give me anxiety.
Yeah, well, we'll hear about it when they make a decision.
Oh, we're all here. The whole world's gonna hear about it.
We're gonna see the riots.
Yeah, either way. It's gonna be a riot either way. So
the white people with guns or the black people without them. Pick one.
Yeah. The double standard in this country is fucking insane.
Yo, our country is built on double standards.
Oh no, I know that, but I'm just saying, like,
yeah, like
when you sit and you think about it, and every little fucking thing that you see is crazy.
Everything,
like,
yeah,
that's what I'm talking about. It's depressing.
It is, and these people that love the lie about how this country's so great. Like, they're not acknowledging the problems.
Some people in the church don't want to talk about the shit that's happening on the fucking world.
The people that are saying that it's so great are the people that don't have to suffer the injustice.
Yeah, it's great to them. It's great to them.
That's what it's about.
Yeah,
it's not. They don't want to take the time to understand where the other side is coming from.
Right, empathy.
Yeah, they're like, no, my life is fucking great.
Yeah.
I got my house. I got a great job.
We're all created in God's image.
I never had an issue with the police. They will never do that. I support them.
My cousin's
Blue Lives Matter. Yeah, my family's in police. Man, listen. It's not about fucking you.
Mm-hmm.
It's about the people that's getting murdered and gunned down and fucking harassed by police officers because of the color of their skin.
Facts.
Because of ignorance. Because of power trips.
Mm-hmm.
The fuck, man. Like, yo, stop thinking about your fucking self.
In 2021. In 2020, like, I'm like, shit, what the fuck did Martin Luther King march for? The fucking nothing. Nothing? Because it's the same.
Them off.
Nah, listen, man.
It's the same shit happening.
It's the same shit happening, but I'm not going to say he marched for nothing.
Nah, he didn't march in vain.
No, not to say that, but it's like the same events that are happening are still happening. Now we see the shit on.
I get it, but think about it. Who's to fucking say me and you will be sitting at this fucking table if he didn't do that?
Again, it's not to say in vain. Not to say that, but more so like the results that he wanted, we're still fighting for that same rights that he was fighting for.
But we're always killed off all the black leaders that were actually doing something.
We're always gonna have this fight.
Yeah.
I just
not
got
going
done
away.
saying that racism's not ever going anywhere.
My son Elijah, he was talking to some kids like on the other side of the fucking world, you know, video games and shit. He's like, "Oh, America, isn't that where you guys see live? What did they say? Live executions on the internet? Kids, little teenage kids,
That is
live.
true.
It's true." And Elijah's like, "Wait, what?" Because he didn't think it that way. But I'm like, that's how these kids in other countries think. We just watch live executions on social media, and then you think that's really fucking true. We saw a man kneel on a guy's neck for 9 minutes and fucking die. We see them shoot people right on fucking live TV, and then the jury has decided they guilty or not. But we saw this. There's nothing to say they didn't do it or not. And it's like this is what other people, kids in other countries, we're savages in America. It's fucking Wild West over here. And it's crazy that that's how they see it in other countries, but not here in America. You know, we're just gonna.
Yeah, because they're not drinking that bullshit Kool-Aid that everybody drinking, that everything's so great out here.
You know why? Because they're in another country and they're not benefiting from the white privilege
Right.
that these people here that
It does, yeah.
support that shit
It doesn't make sense.
are benefiting from.
Right. It doesn't
Like,
make sense to them.
They're gonna call it how they see it because they're not getting no
Yeah,
benefits.
because it makes sense to
Right.
them.
The motherfuckers that's championing all this shit and Blue Lives Matter and all that. Yo, listen, man. Since Mike Brown, since 2014, I've been having this argument online all the time. I don't shy away from it. I don't give a fuck. My stance is my stance, right? And I can honestly say that no one that ever opposed me was not white. It's always been the white people on my timeline, whether they be Christian, they went to church with me, I worked with them, like, or like, bro, like I have one dude, like he's so like he's a Republican, he's Blue Lives Matter, Kaepernick's a piece of shit. He calls him, he says all this shit, and me and him went at it with the cap shit, right? And bro, he's the head of a department in a company I worked for, right? Majority of the people that he, his employees,
Workforce.
yes, his workforce is black. And I'm sitting there like, bro, put any one of your workers in that situation and tell me how the fuck you will feel. Because I'm gonna tell you like that, when all this shit goes down, when I saw this shit, anytime I see that shit, I think of one of my brothers in that situation, and that shit kills me.
Yep.
Bro, I don't know how I would deal with that shit. If one of my brothers, that shit happened to one of my brothers, bro. Like, that shit's crazy to me.
Word.
That's how I look at this shit. It ain't some fucking kid that's in Missouri or some kid in wherever the fuck, in West Bubblefuck. Nah, that could be my homeboy. That could be my brother, one of my B-dub brothers. That could be them.
Yeah.
With a fucking road cop any day. And that's what scared me when we started this fucking pod, and I was telling you about the shit in Jersey City in 2017 when they beat that man that was on fire.
Yeah.
That was my hometown now. That's Jersey City. We never saw no shit like that. Now we saw it. Now it made it even more fucking real that it could be one of my homeboys. And that's what scares me. So when all you motherfuckers is talking about, just got to comply or just listen to the police or we need we need fucking police, but we don't need these fucking bad apples. We don't need these bad cops. And stop talking about the fucking good cops. We're not talking about them. You bringing them into a conversation that they don't need to be brought into. If they're doing their fucking job, great.
Keep on doing it.
But if I do bad at my job, nobody's gonna bring the ones that the good employees into that conversation, right? So stop bringing the good ones in and let's talk about the bad ones.
Mm-hmm.
Stop fucking deflecting. That's all y'all fucking doing. Fucking, that shit bitch mad, yo.
No, and a lot of times too, when things are bad, don't we try to address them and fix them? And every other light of life,
sweep it under the rug, guys.
This one, nah, we're gonna deflect it because it don't fucking suit our interests. It's gonna rock the boat a little bit. You know what I mean? And I don't want that because their lives might be affected, but good.
Nah, it's because people got to take fucking accountability.
Yeah.
they gotta face up to what they did, and they don't want to do that shit.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it is. That's the real fucking root of the matter. They gotta realize, yo, we're fucked up for what we're doing.
Yeah,
and they don't want to do that
we
shit.
get held accountable when we do shit.
Word.
So they should
They absolutely should be held accountable.
Yeah.
Every one of them fucking cops. The motherfuckers in Staten Island that killed Eric Gardner.
Yeah.
The motherfuckers that killed fucking Sandra Bland, Tamir Rice, all of them, Philando Castile, all of them. Breonna Taylor, fucking Mike Brown,
Yeah.
all of them, all of them, all of them, all those fucking police officers should be fucking held accountable and should be rotting in fucking jail.
They have PTSD.
No, fuck that, man. Fuck your PTSD. How about that?
I was fearing my life.
That argument only comes up when it best interests them.
Absolutely.
It's not fair across the board. Like, we're gonna be consistent with that argument.
And those are the names we just heard on the news.
Yeah. There's countless more that don't even make the news.
Absolutely. That's the truth.
And it's sad. That's the real pandemic that has never been addressed. Historically, it's been going on, and it hasn't changed because, like you said, but also because people have been benefiting. It first started benefiting off of free labor of these people.
Word.
And now, because they're free, we have to enslave them in different ways. And this is how we do it, by making bullshit ass laws and a prison system to keep these people down, to make their areas less desirable, the worth of the housing less, the education less. You know what I'm saying? So now you starting from a disadvantaged point, man. Don't tell me that white privilege shit don't exist, yo, because it does. Yeah. Really examine the shit. Be fair.
Yeah.
Don't look at it through your own fucking little lens.
You're asking too much for them to be fair, bro.
Yeah, I know.
It was really interesting how like, I know my biological grandfather, he was a Black Panther back in the day. And I remember when I met him, I was like, "You were really Black Panther?" He said, "Yeah." I was like, "But like, because they make it seem, or however, it's like a terroristic, group. If they are or not, that's not my point. If they are or not." It was more like they said they were against police brutality. They said they funded like the free breakfast programs in New York City, all this shit.
They did more for the community than the fucking government.
But and then on another note, and
they
I'm
had
like,
to take matters into their own hands
to protect their own people. But mostly it was against police brutality. That's how it was started.
Yeah.
Aside from the stuff they did for the community, and I had somebody who said their grandmother said, she's like, we're all equal and we should have equal rights. She said, "I prefer segregation." I said, "What? What? What do you mean? What did she mean?" She said, "I'd rather be taught by my own people in my own town, in my own city, and be separated, because if I go somewhere else, I don't know how I'm going to be treated based on the color of my skin."
Wow.
And sadly, I actually understood the point. I was like, oh shit. Like she had a point. It wasn't to say let's go back to segregation and be,
But people naturally segregate themselves.
Right. But at the same time, she's like, if I go in my own town and I go into a store, if I get pulled over by somebody who's like me in our population, she's like, I'm not fearing that I'm gonna be treated a certain type of way because my color of my skin, because we're all the same color skin. And I said, that's sad and fucking true. And I actually got it. Not to say let's do that, but it's crazy that that's how somebody who actually experienced segregation herself, because she was so much older, that she's actually said that's how she preferred to live. I'd rather be taught by my own Black teachers, raised by my own Black people, and it was crazy.
But then how come then they have to start investing in their own community again?
Right, yeah, right, yeah.
They got to take ownership, own that store. Be that like they used to be.
Right.
They had successful Black communities.
It's not to say live in segregation, but you know what I mean?
But who's to say that when they try it, we won't have another fucking Black Wall Street?
Yeah.
That's true.
So,
you have a point.
Like,
or Seneca Village, Central Park.
We could tell them like, oh, you got to get your own community. You got to do this. Who the fuck to say that this racist ass government not gonna come in and say, "Nah, you can't do that"?
Yeah, they've been saying that.
They've been doing it. So they tried it. Black Wall Street was successful as fuck.
Right. Central
They
Park
bomb
had
the shit out of
Central
it.
Park had a whole village in there
Yeah,
owned by
Seneca
black
Village,
folks. Seneca
yeah.
Village.
Come on, bro.
The
Like,
whole goddamn thing. But get your own property. We fucking did, you assholes. What the fuck? It's New York City. That's right there.
like it's designed to keep people down, man.
Yep.
No matter how hard you try.
Yeah, when they say disproportionate.
They might let a few succeed here and there.
Mm-hmm.
But as a whole, nah,
Nope.
you can't do that. You can't rise as a whole people.
No.
And and it's crazy to have listened to somebody so much older and kind of say that, because it kind of fucks you up, right? Like, wait, what? Oh shit, yeah, actually. And I think maybe that's also a reason why, not the main reason, but it could be a reason why other countries don't have so much of the issues that we have here with the race shit. Because, and I'd say they're not mixed or diverse, but we are a melting pot. It's America. So because there's so much diverse and all this shit, that's a disadvantage that we have. Meanwhile, you could go to another country, not to say everybody looks the same, but you're more likely to see somebody that looks like you versus than not, because I do know places.
I don't want to go to no country where they look like me. Nope.
But that's what happens because we're so diverse here and
Nope.
stuff. That's when we do get all that separation shit. Because somebody be like, what do you mean? I don't get it, because they're not gonna go through those issues that we have because we're so diverse, and it really sucks. That's tell you, when that woman said that shit, I was like, oh shit, like that's fucked up. It's crazy that somebody like that could think like that, but I understand the concept of where she was coming from, because you don't have to fear somebody doing certain things to you, and you look the same. If you're going to be judged by something, it's going to be judged by some other shit, not because of the way you look. You know what I mean? And it's a crazy time in fucking America. Shit.
So much for under an hour.
Yep. Every time we say that shit, it never happens.
This was a good one.
Oh, this was a good one.
I hope they think that.
Episode what? 23?
23.
20. Oh, the
Jordan's number.
Magic number. 20. And LeBron James. What's his number?
See, you brought him to the conversation again.
Because I can't stand him, motherfucker.
So what the fuck you talking about?
Yeah.
I'll be mad.
No. See, that's your problem. You got a secret like little thing for this.
Yeah, he does. Freudian slip there.
You had to get a laugh in the episode, didn't we? It was a serious topic.
That was great.
Assholes.
Oh, that fucking great. Because that shit came out so fucking natural.
Yeah, I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, it does.
Oh shit, no. Yeah. Oh,
no, wait. I was right.
You're right. That shit.
Those are asses. God
Oh,
damn.
man. That was great.
Shit. Episode 23. That was good. It was good.
Yeah.
We got fucking brains here, guys. We have opinions, and we could say shit about real shit.
Yeah, we just not some ignorant ghetto youth out here. You know what I mean?
am.
Nah, but I'm saying though, like you're intelligent as well.
Yeah, we got
Like,
substance.
Oh, thank you.
Nah, of course, we got substance, bro. Like
Substance.
they're gonna try to put us in a pocket, bro. Like we like this.
Fuck you in your
But-
pocket, sir.
Nah.
Yo, why the fuck did your skinny ass put that heat on? Now I feel that shit.
Because I was cold. I got a whole hoodie on.
Yeah, but you know,
He not cold. He
I'm
chilling.
cold.
just rocking the hoodie
He's
look
not
right
cold.
now.
He's chilling. I cracked myself up. Having too much fun with that little boy there.
Fuck up.
On that note, follow us on Instagram and YouTube and subscribe and send it to a friend.
That's right.
Send
Like,
us some money.
Subscribe, share,
Sponsor with
tell a
us.
friend. Yeah.
Word up.
Sponsor
All that
opportunities. You already know. Slide in DM.
Cash app us.
shit. Yeah, we appreciate all that.
Send us the money.
I mean, and
Just like a woman to say, send me the money.
I was gonna say, send us the money like y'all send the bitches the money. Am I wrong? Well,
I don't know. I can't relate to that.
yeah, and send us some topics to talk about. Your friend called us to give us a topic. That's fun. We want to hear them.
Word.
My nigga.
Killer Cam.
Thank you for defending me. I thank you. Appreciate it. You the man.
Fuck up.
Yeah, we want to know. I like to get. That was such a cool
Trying to
call.
suck
I
up
got
right
a topic for y'all. We want to hear it. What's up? We should have like a live line. We want to hear from the people. What topic would you like to hear? And
No, we do.
we do.
We can phone call now.
Did you know that we could do that, y'all? Can they could call in and
No.
stuff like that?
Well, they could call us.
We could call
Yeah.
you during the hours of.
Don't call us, we'll call you.
Yeah.
That's how you gonna be a guest. That's as far we gonna get because ain't no space right now.
Yeah.
But yes, I'm
Yeah.
not gonna get up and go to the bathroom, but I actually do have to go. But I'm not gonna get up right now.
It's to apply the icy hot, right?
I had 2 beers and it goes right through me. Bad.
Yeah, you shape like a straw, so it's definitely gonna go right through you.
Guy with the jokes tonight.
We needed some laughs after this heavy shit. You know what I mean?
It's heavy. And that's another thing. That's the way we try to fucking make comedy out of shit to fucking prevent all this trauma.
That was fucking great. You shaped like a straw. I'm done.
Word. Before we go, let's tell the people who we are.
Oh yeah,
just in case.
Joe Grizz.
Steph Vibes.
Fly Guy.
And one other thing before we go. Rest in peace, Black Rob.
Yes, Black Rob. Yes. Say what up to
Whoa.
DMX.